Let's create a proposal using Legitt AI. Start by clicking Create from the dashboard, then choose Sales Enablement for creating proposals. You'll have two options. Use a proposal template to send a proposal to your customer, or generate a proposal against an RFP or RFQ that you have. First, let's explore proposal templates. You can choose between Microsoft Word or the Legitt AI Editor. Legitt AI has a partnership with Microsoft Word, and you can find Legitt AI add-ins in the Microsoft Add-in Store. If you choose Microsoft Word, you'll have two further options: use our templates or your own. If you use our templates, it will be downloaded as a Word file, and you can edit it in Word. If you want to use your own template, open it in Word, edit it, and use the Legitt AI add-in to send it directly to Legitt AI. Alternatively, let's choose the Legitt AI Editor. It will ask if you want to upload your own template or choose from our 100+ templates. Once you've selected or uploaded a template, you'll be taken to the Legitt AI Editor to further customize it with your customer details and other necessary information. Now let's understand how the Generate Proposal option works. When you click on Generate Proposal, a pop-up will appear asking you to upload your RFP. After uploading the RFP, Legitt AI's AI scanner will analyze the document and extract all the requirements. You'll then be asked whether you want Legitt AI to create a proposal automatically against your RFP, or if you'd like to populate your own template using our AI. Choose either option, and within seconds, Legitt AI will generate a proposal for you. You can then edit it further in the Legitt AI Editor or download it.